taking the opportunity to call on our stage the CEO and founder of Trinity Media Marketing Solution, Mr. Shribu John, to share his thoughts for the event.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to everybody present here. Let me take the honor to thank each and every one of you to have made this possible, to be a part of this initiative. The conscious effort was to actually have all the experts come and deliberate an initiative like this on 3D printing. Because 3D printing is an initiative which is actually going to be changing the way we also for. I mean, it's a game-changing technology. And we are happy to have each one of you actually contributed to also be a part of this. Let me also take the honor to welcome Dr. Surinder Pal, Vice Chancellor of Defense Institute of Advanced Technologies, Dr. Varrock Koshnevis, Director of Manufacturing Engineering Graduate Program at University of Southern California, Dr. U. Chandrasekhar, Director of Engineering Staff College of India, Shri B.R. Mehta, a former Joint Secretary, Government of India and current Executive President, Bhagwan Mahavir Viklang Sahayak Samiti, most popularly known as Jaipur Foods, and also Dr. Anthony Achala, Director of Wake Forest Institute, represented by Dr. Shane Murthy, all other advisory members, associate members and guests. This is a dream come true. With the gratitude, we thank everybody who have made it possible to make this event the way it was designed to. Introducing our company, Trinity Media and Marketing Solutions, a media consortium working in confluence with various companies for strategic inputs and also giving solutions to also help them design their business platforms. We are a media and marketing consultant for startup and many MME companies also. And the quest is also to identify new emerging technologies, and 3D printing being one of the best source in terms of use for everybody's benefit. And it is indeed a game-changing technology, and it is imperative for us as a media company to proliferate and propagate this potential technology to everybody. And that's also the conscious reason for us to have formulated the Expo, which will be meeting the point of initiatives and learners to come together to draw the opportunities for various sectors, and which will benefit from this technology. For these 2 days, we have experts for each session discussing on aerospace and defense, medical and healthcare, automobiles and engineering tool design, construction and architecture, education, lifestyle, training, investments, manufacturing, design, workshop, shows, art, fashion. It is also, it gives the common man the thinking of the potential that can I print anything and everything? Yes, you can do it. So that's the opportunity that we have to then be sharing through this platform. And yes, 3D printing technology can print even a car, a house in less than a day, body parts, aeroplanes, engines, automobile parts, chocolates, food, clothing, jewelry, everything. I think the ladies will be really interested in terms of jewelry. Yes, it is possible. So that gives a lot of excitement in terms of it. And this is indeed a miraculous technology.